operated boy sitting on the shelf. He is just a toy, but I turn him on and he comes to life. Automatic joy, that is why I want a coin operated boy. Made of plastic and elastic, he is rugged and long lasting. Who could ever ask for more? Love without complications galore. Coin operated boy. All the other real ones that I destroy cannot hold a candle to my new boy, and I'll never let him go, and I'll never be alone. 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 Not with my coin operated boy. This bridge was written to make you feel smitten with my sad picture of girl getting bitterer. Can you extract me from my plastic fantasy? I didn't think so, but I'm still convincible. Will you persist even after I kiss you goodbye for the last time? Will you keep on trying to prove it? I'm dying to lose it. I'm losing my confidence. I want it. I want it. I want it. I want you. I want you. I want you. I want coin operated boy. And if I had a star to wish on for my life, I can't imagine any flesh and blood could be his match. I can even take him in the bath. Coin operated boy. He may not be real experienced with girls, but I know he feels like a boy should feel. Isn't that the point? That is why I want a coin operated boy with a pretty coin operated voice, saying that he loves me, that he's thinking of me, straight and to the point. That is why I want a coin